Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Inflation data continues to show cooling, and this will allow Federal Reserve to begin cutting interest rates this year. The environment of high interest rate has hurt capital-intensive businesses, including real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. But there are expectations that interest rates will move to the downside this year, which should help reduce the carrying cost of debt and drive margins and profits higher. Take the case of mid-cap REIT, National Health Investors, Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol NHI. Due to its significant capital spending, it should benefit from declining interest rates. REITs like National Health Investors grow via acquisition, and they need to borrow capital to do so. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Founded in 1991, National Health Investors is focused on senior housing and medical facilities. The company's holdings are made up of independent living housing, assisted living facilities, memory care communities, skilled nursing facilities, and medical office buildings, and specialty hospitals. Its network actually includes 194 properties scattered across 33 states.
How did it do in 2023? I imagine healthcare facilities faced a tough time during the 2020 health crisis.
Yeah, National Health Investors did quite well in 2023, with revenue rising by almost 13% to $322.4 million. That's the highest level since 2020. Now, since 2019, National Health Investors' revenue has been hovering around the $300 million level. Now, analysts expect this to continue. The estimate that National Health Investors will report revenue of $313.4 million in 2024, climbing to $326.3 million in 2025. Now, as for the bottom line, or profitability, National Health Investors' 5-year diluted earnings per share high was $4.14 per share in 2020. That was followed by, not surprisingly, 2 straight down years. That's prior then to 110.7% jump in 2023 to $3.13 per share. Now, the company's earnings situation is expected to soften, with analysts predicting $2.81 per diluted share in 2024, followed by a bounce to $3.02 per diluted share in 2025. Meanwhile, its free cash flow, which supports its dividend stream, has been positive too. In 2023, it reported free cash flow of $180.7 million. On the somewhat downside, National Health Inc. has debt of $1.1 billion on its balance sheet, but I don't expect any significant problems given the REIT's high free cash flow and profitability.
Now let's talk a little bit about dividends here. What's happening?
For income investors who are looking for steady dividends and some capital appreciation, shares of National Health Investors Inc. could be ideal. NHI stock has paid steady dividends for 34 consecutive years, and that streak should continue. Note that, however, the company hasn't changed its quarterly dividend of 90 cents per share since management cut it from $1.10 per share in August 2021. As of this recording, National Health Investors stock has a dividend yield of 6.0%. Now, National Health Investors stock reached a 52-week high of $60.40 on March 13, meaning it went up by 16.8% over the previous year and 15.2% over the previous month. Better times are ahead, with Wall Street analysts providing a 12-month share price target of between $63 and $69 per share.
John, thank you so much for your analysis. Income investors can enjoy National Health Investors stock's consistent dividend and the opportunity to benefit from some share price appreciation. NHI stock recently hit a 52 weeks high, but remains well below its record high of $91.12 set in February of 2020. If National Health Investors can grow its earnings free cash flow, we would expect the REIT to increase its dividends as well. That's it for today. Make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.